Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of your 5-day English Confidence Challenge. I'm really glad you're here again. That means you're serious about improving your English, and that's already a big win. Yesterday, you learned how to introduce yourself confidently, and I hope you actually practiced it. If you did, you've already taken your first step towards speaking English without fear. Now, today, we're going to take things to the next level. Because introducing yourself is just the beginning, real confidence comes when you can handle everyday conversations in English. Imagine being able to order food, ask for help in a store, or have a small conversation with someone without feeling nervous. That's exactly what we're going to practice today. Now, here's something important you need to understand. Many people spend months learning English grammar and memorizing vocabulary. But when it comes to real-life situations, they still feel stuck. Why? Because real conversations are different. In real life, you don't have time to think too much. You need simple, quick and natural responses. Think about situations like ordering coffee at a cafe, asking for help in a shop, talking to a colleague or a stranger. These are small conversations, but they happen every day. And when you can handle these situations easily, your confidence grows very fast. That's why today is so important, because we're focusing on practical English you can actually use in your daily life. All right, let's look at 3 very common real-life situations and how you can speak in each one. Situation 1. Ordering food or drinks. Customer: Hi, I'd like a coffee, please. Server: Sure. What kind of coffee would you like? Customer: I'll have a latte. Server: Hot or iced? Customer: Hot, please. Server: Anything else? Customer: Yes, I'd like a sandwich as well. Server: Sure, that'll be all. Notice how simple and direct this is. You don't need long sentences, just clear and polite words. Situation 2. Shopping conversation. Customer: Excuse me, can you help me find this item? Shop assistant: Of course, what are you looking for? Customer: I'm looking for bread. Shop assistant: It's in aisle 3 on your right. Customer: Thank you so much. You can also ask, is this available in a larger size? Do you have this in another color? Situation 3. Small talk. Colleague: Hey, how's your day going? You: It's going well, thanks. How about you? Colleague: Pretty good. Busy day today, you? Yes, same here, lots of work to do. Small talk doesn't have to be deep. It's just about being friendly and keeping the conversation going. Now, let me show you how to sound more natural when you speak in these situations. First, keep it simple. You don't need complicated sentences. Short and clear is always better. Second, use polite words. Always include words like please, thank you, and excuse me. These small words make a big difference in how you sound. Third, don't overthink. If you try to build perfect sentences in your head, you'll freeze. Just speak what you know. Fourth, focus on communication, not perfection. Even if your sentence is not perfect, if the other person understands you, that's success. And finally, listen carefully. Good communication is not just speaking. it's also understanding. The more you practice these simple conversations, the more natural and confident you'll become. All right, now it's time to practice, because this is where real improvement happens. I want you to create your own short conversations based on the 3 situations we just learned. First, write a simple dialogue for ordering food or drinks, shopping, small talk. Keep it short and easy, just like the examples. Second, say those conversations out loud. Don't just read silently. Actually speak. This helps your brain get used to real communication. Third, if you want faster improvement, record yourself speaking. Listen to your voice and notice your pronunciation, speed, and confidence. And here's a small challenge. Try to practice one of these conversations in real life today, even if it's just a simple hello or thank you. The more you use English in real situations, the faster your confidence will grow. Now, before we move forward, I want to remind you of something very important. If you feel nervous while speaking, that's completely normal. If you make mistakes, that's also completely normal. Every single person who speaks English fluently today was once a beginner who made mistakes again and again. So don't be afraid of getting things wrong. In fact, mistakes are a sign that you are learning and improving. Think about it this way. Every time you speak, even if it's not perfect, you're becoming better than you were yesterday. Progress in English doesn't happen in one day. It happens step by step, conversation by conversation. So instead of focusing on being perfect, focus on being consistent. Show up, practice, and keep going. Because the more you practice these small conversations, the more natural English will feel to you. Now it's your turn. And I really want you to take action here. Write one short conversation in the comments below. You can choose any situation: ordering food, shopping, or small talk. Keep it simple and real. And if you want to challenge yourself, write all 3. I'll be reading your comments and I may reply to some of you as well. Also, try reading your conversation out loud after writing it. This will help you improve even faster. Remember, this is a safe place to practice. No one is judging you. We're all learning together. So go ahead. Write your conversation now and be part of this challenge. Great job today. You're making real progress, and you should be proud of yourself. You've learned how to handle everyday conversations, and that's a huge step towards speaking English naturally. Now don't stop here. Tomorrow we're going to do something even more powerful. In Day 3, you'll learn how to express your opinions in English, so you can sound more confident, more interesting, and more like a natural speaker. Trust me, this is where your speaking really starts to improve. So stay consistent, keep practicing, and I'll see you in Day 3. You're doing amazing. Keep going.